Hello everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix sign in to the App Store. Your Apple ID or password is incorrect. So guys, when I am going to download any app or want to update any app from App Store, facing this type of issue again and again, as you can see here. So guys, now I have logged in my Apple ID on my iPhone, as you can see here, but it requires old Apple ID password. So guys, you can easily fix this problem. So let's get started without wasting any time. So guys, if you have remember your old Apple ID password, you have to enter your password. If not, no need to worry, you have to go back. So guys, from here you have to open your settings here, click on your main Apple ID and scroll it down. So guys, you have to sign out your new Apple ID, and guys, after this you need to sign in again after 5 to 10 minutes. And guys, after this you have to click on password and security, and now you have to wait for some seconds. From here you have to click on change password, and guys, after this here you need to enter your iPhone passcode, and now you need to change your password. Enter your new password and verify your new password. After this you have to change your password, and guys, after this you need to log in this Apple ID on App Store again, and guys, now your problem will be fixed. So guys, after doing all these methods, if still not fix your problem, no need to worry, you have to open any internet browser, and here you need to search support.apple.com, and guys, now you have to wait. From here you have to select iPhone. If you are using iPad, you have to select iPad, and now you need to scroll it down. You have to click on get support, and after this you have to wait for some seconds. And guys, after this you need to scroll it down, click on more, and now from here you have to click on App Store and click on continue, and guys, scroll it down, click on call us, and guys, you need to call at these numbers, tell them your problem, and they will fix your problem within few minutes. So guys, this is the video. Hope you like this video. If you like this video, please do subscribe my channel. Thank you.